Welcome, everybody. You are watching part 2 of our 3-part series, Managing Stress and Anxiety During COVID-19 Crisis. Today, we're going to talk about facing COVID. And this is coming from a book called The Happiness Trap by Dr. Russ Harris. The first thing is to focus on what's in your control. We have control over our behavior and dealing with our inner thoughts and feelings. How do we do this? When a boat is caught in a storm, it drops anchor to stabilize until the storm passes. In a crisis, we too can drop anchor to stabilize and ground ourselves. First thing we want to do is to acknowledge our thoughts and feelings. So I'd like you to notice, without judgment, your thoughts and feelings. And just be curious as you observe your inner self. And you can just take a few seconds just to do that right now. Next, you want to come back to the body. Connect with your physical body, pushing your feet to the floor, straightening your back and spine, maybe pressing your fingertips together, slowly stretching your arms, neck, and shoulders, practicing deep, slow breathing, and possibly alternate nostril breathing, which I will demonstrate for you today. So you want to take your middle finger and your thumb, place your middle finger on one nostril, begin with an inhale, and then exhale, and then switch, inhale, exhale, again switch, inhale, exhale, and again, and one more time, switching. So this is a breathing technique to reduce anxiety. You want to take a complete breath, an inhale and an exhale on each side. Next, engage in what you are doing moment to moment. So this is about mindfulness. It's about focusing on the activity of the moment, using all of your senses and paying attention to those little tasks that you do day to day. Things like brushing your hair, making a cup of coffee, petting a dog or a cat, maybe preparing a meal. But whatever little activity that you're doing during the day, just pay attention to it. Notice what you can see, things that you can smell or taste. Just giving your full activity to these, your full attention to these activities can keep you in the present. So what you don't want to do is worry about the future or worry about the past. Keeping in the present is the best way to stay calm and focused. And I'd like to teach you one more breathing exercise before we end today. And it's called the 3-3-3 breath. And it involves inhaling for a count of 3, holding for 3, and then exhaling for 3. So go ahead and do that with me today. Inhaling, 1, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3. Slow exhale, 1, 2, 3. And once more, inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold it. And slow exhale, 1, 2, 3. And again, thank you for joining me today. Next week, we will have part 3, which will include some guided imageries for relaxation.